I'm using Makartt Full Coverage Clear Coffin Nails, Gold from Sinful Colors, and Amazing Gold Glitter Polish by Salon Perfect, and I have these metallic stickers, Wet n Wild Top Coat, and my personal stash of stones. This will be part of my Bougie Nails on a Budget series. Hi everyone. Hey NailTubers. If this is your first time here, I want to welcome you to my channel because today is a good day. This has been a long-running series for quite some time now, and I'm happy for you to enjoy it. So, girl, it's all about the gold today, and you already know. The design's gonna be easy to do, yet look so elegant and expensive. 3 of the nails will be a solid gold, 1 will be glitter, and I'll put the sticker on the other. This will be a set that can be worn casually. I picture it with gold square dangle earrings and a gold charm bracelet worn with a casual top and jeans adorned with a chunky gold belt, or even for a night out with a classy satin light dress. My imagination just goes, doesn't it? I just love doing this series, and I hope it's been satisfying to you too. And you know something? I have so many polishes, I could do this for a decade. Since this was pre-recorded, I can't remember if I did 2 coats on the glitter nail. I often tend not to though, because I don't like it when it clusters up and gets all lumpy. This nail will be clear underneath the sticker, so I'm going in with glossy top coat. The set already looks pretty as is, doesn't it? So now I'm doing a second coat of the gold. For those of you who are getting familiar with this series, I do mostly regular polishes to create these sets. But I like to mention from time to time that they can be done with gel polish as well, if that's your preference. In fact, I just expanded my color selection of gel polishes, and I showed it in my Amazon nail haul yesterday, so there'll be plenty of things to share from those too. So like that movie song is playing in my head while I'm doing this set. Go finger. Oh, never mind. Some of you guys might even be too young for that. What you know about that? I know that these stickers have that circular cut for the cuticle area, but I'm always doing something so unconventional. So instead, I place it on the lower part of the nail towards the free edge. And then I use that curvature at the top to create a nice arc for me to place some stones around. But before doing this, I make certain every part of the metallic sticker is adhered to the nail surface. There'll be some overhang because it's not meant to be placed this way, but I usually wait until after the entire nail is done, top coat and all, and then I just go in with some lightweight filing to smooth off the edges and then reseal it with top coat. So here's the top coat, and before it's completely dry, I go in with a little fast drying glue. Well, it's supposed to be a little, but I keep forgetting about this bottle. It overpours and I end up having more than I need. And more than likely, I'm gonna forget again until I'm doing the next Bougie Nails on a Budget set. I go around the crown of the sticker with some of these beautiful stones from my personal stash, and it'll finish the look of this nail. I hope you enjoyed today's Bougie Nails on a Budget. I am very happy with how this set looks. And if you like it too and would like to see more like this, I'll have links at the end of my outro as well as the description box. My regular upload days are Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I also recently started a series called The Masked Finger. It's a really fun nail tube spin-off of The Masked Singer. The next episode is coming this Wednesday. Oh, that's tomorrow. You don't want to miss it. So remember to subscribe to my channel and become part of this nail tube family. When you click the notification bell, you'll know every time I upload, even on the extra days. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Much love.